Well, FSMA, as we call it, is a great catalyst for promoting quality food and safe food. And the United States product, bulk, finished product, the whole supply chain is identified with that higher standard. So from the point of view of a U.S. as a supplier, as a global food and feed supplier, it only enhances the reliability of that product. With respect to the operations of FSMA and its impact for importers and global supply chain management, we're really in a state of limbo now. The regulations won't be announced or finalized till June 30th, 2015. That's a long way away. That's a lot of uncertainty. Importers are lining up with comments about the regulations. One organization handed in 400 pages of comments and regulations for the regulations. It's not even certain that they'll meet that court-imposed deadline. So we operate a lot in the Asian markets for Global Food Safety Forum. They're very worried that it's discriminating, that importers that have the responsibility for tracing and certification under the current rules and regulations will not be able to verify that in certain key markets. So there's a lot of confusion. The independent auditor certification is really stuck as far as China is concerned, where we have an office, because there's the question of what they call reciprocity. What should they recognize and what do we recognize from China? So the confusion, the state of limbo, the uncertainty in that regard has paradoxically jeopardized what the ultimate objective of FSMA is. So we got to get going. We got to get moving.